Today, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make an easy Instant Pot chicken recipe. Hi, I'm Karen Peterson. Thanks for following along with me. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you an easy recipe that you can make with just a 3-minute pressure cook time. It has chicken and mushrooms and carrots, kale. Don't be scared of the kale. If you don't want to put it in, you don't have to. And some red potatoes. It's just an easy one-pot meal that you can make when you're just like, I don't want to make a lot of side dishes or anything else. I just want to make a one-pot meal. And it's really tasty. It doesn't have any cream of soups in it, but it has a nice creamy gravy. I know that you're gonna love this one. So here we go, let's make it.
We're gonna turn our Instant Pot to the saute setting. Once it says hot, you can add in a tablespoon of olive oil, swirl it around, and then we're gonna add in 1 chopped onion and 8 ounces of mushrooms. I'm gonna saute those for 3 or 4 minutes. Then add in some poultry seasoning, garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, and a tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce. And then a half a teaspoon of the Better Than Bouillon chicken base and a half a cup of water. Use your saute paddle kind of to scrape the bottom of the pot, making sure nothing is sticking. And then I'm gonna add in 20 ounces of these chicken tenderloins. Mine were frozen. And I'm gonna season those with a little bit of salt and pepper. I like the kosher salt and the coarse black pepper. Then I'm gonna add in 20 ounces of potatoes and some carrots. You can slice up regular carrots if you want. I just had baby carrots, so that's what I used. And then I have some kale that I'm gonna throw in today. You can also use spinach if you like. I'm gonna just slice down the middle and discard the stem that's in the middle of that. And chop it up and add it into the pot with everything else. Throw in 4 ounces of cream cheese and put the lid on, making sure the valve is set to sealing, not to venting. And then set the pressure cook button to 3 minutes. And it's on high pressure. After the cooking time is up, I'm just gonna let my pot sit for 5 to 7 minutes and then release any remaining pressure. And then get a spoon and stir everything, combine everything well, and you have your nice one-pot meal. You can find this full recipe at 365daysofcrockpot.com. Please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you again. Bye-bye.